How's it going, everyone? This is going to be the start of the Pybro's playthrough of Slime Rancher. Now, I have already started this. I've also got a Twitch version of this. I do this on Twitch. But yeah, I'm going to be doing this as a few videos for you guys now. I have, again, like I said, I have played through this before. I know everything about this game, but I want to go through it and see what YouTube would think about me doing it. Guaranteed no one's gonna like me still. Alright. Alright, let's see how this goes. And then feed them. 3, 2, 1, now. Can I just skip the tutorial? No. I want to keep a bit of food. I take it back here. Anything else you want to mention about us, Jesus? Alright, it's done. Alright, let's see. I don't want to make a coop right here for now. I'll make it next door to it. So coop. And I'll find a rooster for that group of guys. But the dry reef, the coral ocean floor that now barks under the gold sun. I kind of read that wrong halfway through it, but it's okay. I've already got 4 up there. I'll have 8 in each one. Stony hens. Save the hen space. Pick up these. Oh, I forgot I didn't have a jetpack yet. Oof. Okay, so down here, go over to the pink slime. Frankly, I feel like this is not going to be a good series, but I'll work on it. Right amount too, hell yeah. Got my way. Ooh, rooster, just what I needed. I'll keep the cube berry. Cube berry I'll keep. Did that tabby slime? No, the tabby slime did not kill itself. I have 4 already. And I'll keep 4. Stony hen get rid of? Or cube berries? Oof. I might see if I could just... the tabbies are pretty close nearby, so I won't bother. Got the map. Got a message. Yeah. Now, frankly, I feel like this is going to be a bit more boring because I already know everything about Slime Ranch. But I'll try to act new. Alright, so I do have 4, right? Yeah. Place these 4 back in. Come over here, place the rooster. If he doesn't fly away like the bird he is. Stony. Now the cube berries, I don't have enough for garden yet. Big oof. So I'll go get some plantation. If there's any here, for God's sake. Here we go. There's only about a few seconds and more plants grow. Now go feed them to the slimes down here. Get enough for a garden and plant the cube berries. again, like I said, this is going to be probably a boring playthrough. But see what I do. See what I do. I feel like it's going to be fun for me to restart everything. It's fun for you guys to see me sometimes mess up and put it on YouTube. But I'll work with it. I'll work with it. I keep saying that. Alright.
1 hour later.
Alright. Go back. Sell the plots. And a babbly whoop. Alright, sell them. Throw these in there. The Z market, nice. Here we are, none of you are hungry. I take you guys back. Put you in a plot collector. Take you guys. I need to make a beetroot farm. You're hungry. Give me another tabby plot and a regular plot. Thank you! So nice! What a nice guy. You just gave me the tabby plot. Oh, you just gave me the normal plot so then I didn't have to bother. Get the other one. Oh, I need a few more monies. Because I need high walls, because tabby slimes jump higher than any other slimes in the game. So if you guys would make more plots, that'd be very lovely. Ugh. I should just keep feeding the big ones. If I can. Can I? You guys eat more? You're hungry. Can I feed you? No. Oh, no, they just feed themselves. Somebody collect that. Give me more biggies. These guys are so adorable. I'm gonna get one particular slime and name it something. I don't know. In the comments, you guys get to pick the name of a particular slime. Preferably one eventually. I don't know. There. My slimes are protected. Do any of you want to eat? I need some boys to eat food. You eat. You eat. You eat. At least if the big guys eat, then more tabby plots dropped off, and I can have more giant tabbies. How many have I got? I've got 1, 2, 3. No, wait, I can't count them. They keep moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8. Collect you. Okay, so now I have 2 left that are not tabbies. Luckily, I have 1 cube here, so if one of you would be so kind. There's another tabby. Now, one of you eat that. You become big and strong. Sell these and go back. Now, do I want to get that? That area supplies me with chicken, so I think that's the first area I would get. The overgrowth, okay. So with this key and these, the beetroots, I could get rid of the tree here, but I might get a new one. I don't know. But yeah, as I was saying, I might make a special slime, have his own pen until I get the stand thing. I don't know. Restart. Hen can die. Chickadoo, that's not what I wanted. Give me the rooster. Aha. Gotcha. You can escape me. Oh, I need some rockets. Slimes or slimes or total metal. They reference metal, but don't really show it. It just says rock slimes. I don't know. Oh, he just ate the chicken. Speaking of chickens, hey big guy, look at you. Meh. You're now mine. Ride off into the distance, you fat overgrown cat. Now we'll go down here. We'll go down here because these guys have the most adorable slimes. One side has adorable slimes, the other one basically has killer slimes. We're going with the cute side. I'm sorry, but I need these adorable boys. Yahoo! Now if we go up. Oh, this also has the dangerous side with them. I forgot that. Kill. Oh, no. There we go. Okay. We've also got these little guys. I can't help with that. I can't. Fix the problem. We've also got these adorable guys. I'll come back for them later. Go venture off. I didn't check out the description of the boom slimes. Hold up. Slimes, boomy. Nope, there's no quick tremors. Great. It's all fast. What's that? Oh yeah, it's a yarn ball. Go play. When you throw your cat that young ball though, go play. Oh, drop this for a second so that we can learn these guys, and then drop that and collect that again. Anything in particular I need to do? I need to get some honeys. I just needed to learn these. I'll wait until I get the dangerous zone to get them. But where are the honeys? There they are! Look at these dudes. I don't want that. I want that. They are physically... Damn it! They are physically honey. I want to put one in my, like, teacup, but it would, like, not fit, so I have to, like, jam it in. Winnie the Pooh's best friend. That should be the description. Oh, well. Exterminate. Hey, that works. What? I'll save you, don't worry. You are now saved. Hey, what did I say? Bad boy. Bad boy. I saved the world one drop at a time. If we throw away a few of these guys, preferably 5, then we can mix them with the rock slimes. Let's get their favorite food too. I haven't had mainly a mint berry yet. There we go. Now we'll make a second coop once we have enough. We'll put the roosters in here. And we'll grab some of the chickens. Not all of them, we're gonna leave at least 1, so then we can reproduce the chickens. All of you guys can go die. Oh, I feel so bad. Then again, they're chickens. Called hens. Eat him. Eat him. Eat him. No! They're everywhere! Holy Jesus. And now this one guy needs to eat the floor. Eat it. Good boy. Now I need to collect all your plorts. I'll come back for the baby ones in a sec. Oh, I'm flying on a cat! Oh, Well, I need more of the pink ones. Do you have any more pink ones for me? That's 7. There should be one. Oh, no, never mind. Here it is. Found it. Alright, so now there should be 7 tabby plorts. Because one of them ate one of the tabby plorts, and then they became a giant adorable fluff ball. Missing one. Where are you hiding? I will find you, and I will kill you. Actually, no, because I kind of... I don't know. Did one? Nah. I think it was 6. I don't know. There we go. Now we have enough for another pen. And we'll mix these two together. So, Coop, a few of you guys, and a few of you guys. You guys look adorable together. Now, I don't have enough to raise the walls yet, which is the bad part. But I'll wait until they come through, because they can't, neither of them can eat that. So, I'll read the mail. Okay. Go bed. I love that, like, teddy bear slime that she made herself. Just like, yeah, I'm stuck on a planet, but I'm capable of having a house. Wait, is this, where's the ship? Is this, wait. She came here by ship, but she was capable of getting a house. Okay. One rock. No, 2 rocks, 1 tabby. Babbly boop. Okay, so I need 1 tabby. 1 tabby. Now let's feed the rest of you. See, do you guys want any? Oh, these guys can eat some. See, this is why I can't have nice things. This is why you gotta have high walls. Sorry, I need that. I need that one. Now let's get out of here before. Give me some monies. Oh no. No, they're escaping. They're escaping. Oh no. You can't do that. That's offensive. Let me get rid of all these plorts so then they don't get attracted. Because some of them get attracted. They get attracted. Oh, they're everywhere! Nah, get back in your cages. Before you make a tar. Get back in your cages. They're escaping. This is Jurassic Park all over again. Is that all of them? 4, 5. I'm missing one. Missing one. Oh wait, it's in my hand. Stupid me. Okay. Oh, there's still some plorts. Give me them. Are they now still hungry about it? I don't think so. Alright. Let me sell these and get high walls, because you guys are going mental. I don't have enough for high walls. I need more. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Do we still have regular chickens? Yep. I'm making a big mistake making more plorts, Jesus. Plorts are the reason we're dying in this society. We need more plort funding. Ah, Jesus! Oh, I think I made a bad idea making rock honeys, because they do look adorable. At the same time, they look horrifying to look at when you are being attacked by one. No, I'm not even there yet, you mad. I need... I'll give him a rooster, maybe 2. Eat him up. What have you eaten? Got boots! Something I needed. My feet were hurting so badly. I needed boots. I have enough, yay. Now. Stay in your pen. Stay. Good boys. Okay. Let's work on what she wants us to do. 1 tabby. I'll go out here. I'll let these slimes have some fun on their own. I need 1 tabby plort, 2 rockies, and then a puddle slime. I can easily do the puddle slime. The tabby is going to be a hard nut to crack. So if we come out here and feed you... Ah. You take one. The other one takes one. Do you second time? Yeah, you can. Now we need... one tabby. Tabby, tabby, tabby. Stopped you in mid-track, didn't I? All we need now is a puddle slime. Ooh, actually. Not that much in here. Puddle slime, puddle slime, puddle slime. Come down here and there should be a puddle slime over there. I could take the teleporter back if I go through the honey area. Alright, let's go. I can get some more mint mangoes while I'm down there too. I'm trying to think of a thumbnail for this video. I use SFM, but I really want to use Photoshop, but I don't have Photoshop. I will get it and then use it, but for now, I think SFM would be the best choice, but there's no slime rancher things in that. There might be, but I don't think there's slimes of it. Okay, so now I just need puddle slime, which I can get one right there. Which is adorable, because they are always adorable. Oh no, they're stuck in the water. Tabby's gonna hunt them down. Okay, there's a boom slime. There's a map of this area somewhere. I don't remember where, but I'm guessing it's up top somewhere. Where is the map to this area? Because I haven't unlocked it yet. I want to check if it's up here. Oh no, that's just a treasure pod. Have I unlocked this area for a map? No. Puddle slime, mint mango. Give me you. These things are adorable! Oh. I just want you to eat them up. Yum. Oh, these things are so cute. The cootsy bootsy. Where's the map? I just want to eat this thing up. I'm sorry, but this thing looks adorable. This thing is adorbs. Alright. I now have a hunter slime. The thing, like I said, it's adorable. It's adorable. Should I get more puddle slimes? I could get a few more puddle slimes on the way back. But I would walk under the water, and I would walk some 1,000 more, just to be the man that walked under the water to find some water slimes. Da da da. Da, da. I'm gonna get copyright claims, even though it's not even the right song. It's just like a remake I made. Alright, let's get this stuff, because I do need the food. Yeah. Give me the berries and I'll feed it to the rock guys. Alright, here you go. These guys... You guys can have those. This honey pool, I'm gonna put it up here. Now with these two, I'm gonna make a home for you right next to your buddies down here. The tabbies. Corral. It's definitely gonna be something mixed in with that slime, because that slime is adorables. It's adorbs. Look at it. It turns invisible. Tell me that's not cute. Then again, I'm a pyro main and I hate spies. But it's like a baby slime. It's baby spy. I'm gonna call you spy. You're my spy. If I mix it with something, I can make more of them. If I make like a tabby hunter, that would be a good idea. At the same time, a bad idea. Oh my god, they're everywhere. Oh, I'm being lifted up into heaven slowly. Is that all of them? Yep. I'll be back for you guys. I'll get enough monies, and then I'll make a home. Oh, the honey version of that would be adorable too. Can I make a pond? No, I can't. I'll make a pond. Ah, no, I don't want you. I want your poop. I want your plort poop. Ah. Frankly, I thought all the honey that was left in here was all the honeys. So mainly, there's gonna be more honeys than rock plorts. Wait, is someone still hungry? I saw that face. Ah! You can't be hungry! You basically just ate me out of house and home. I don't know. I'm trying to think of what to mix that hunter slime with to make something adorable. Now I have enough for a pond. I can't mix anything with the puddle slime before you guys suggest puddle hunter. I can't do that. Look at this. Bam. Hey! I'm just gonna stay in here with him. He's adorable. He's adorbs. I need a mint mango. I want a mint mango tree. Because they're a pretty good source to have. Alright, I'm gonna go get a mint mango. Preferably, hopefully, a few more hunter slimes if I can. And then I'm going to walk back and do something. Though I could make a pit stop somewhere on the way there. Ooh, I take you. Alright, so what? I need more either hunters or something else. I do want a few more puddle slimes too, so save a space for hunters and puddles. Preferably these two. Oh, there's another rooster. Don't be eaten! Nom! Because I want to eat you. Not even cooked, it's just a regular rooster. I just ate a live rooster, guys. That hurt my teeth. Too many bones. I can just imagine someone going to a restaurant ordering like a live chicken that's not even dead yet, just like eating it. And just like, how's your food, sir? The way like waiter goes and he just says, too many bones. I don't know why, but that seems funny to me. A man just eating one alive rooster. Not even cooked. Just everyone watching him be like a rabid animal. Just, just like that. I could just imagine that. Inside like a fancy restaurant, and then two, the fact that he ate it live and then he says there's too many bones. That seems funny to me. Also, I'm gonna look for the map because I can't find it. There's only soup. Can I do some parkour up on top of this? Oh yeah, I can. Hey! I found it! Neat. This is where all the puddle slimes, this is where the honey slimes. I found the hunter slimes somewhere around here, so if I look around here I might be able to find some more. I'll go down this way too. Jesus, explosions. Mint berries! Hop, hop, hop. No, I'm hungry too, you know. Get out of my inventory. You try to steal my mint berries. I'm gonna call them mint babies. Oh, I can't get over there yet. I don't have a jetpack. The question is, can I find more hunter slimes though? I do want more. Give me a hunter slime. Damn it. I got another message. Okay, I'm probably not going to find any more hunter slimes. We'll head back and grab some more puddle. That's a hunter slime and it's got bigger. I'm thinking that was the original, like, plort that was sitting here when I saw it. But, yeah. Let's see. There's a few more mint berries. I'll collect some more mint berries and then I'll head off. I don't know what the best source of food is for every slime. Like, one I need to find like this mixture of meat eaters, veggies, and fruit eaters. So I've got to find like the best one for each one of those types. Alright, let's look for more puddle slimes because they are bloody adorable. Puddle, 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 puddle. Damn it, there's no more puddles. Okay, cube berries. I'll collect you guys, why not? Alright, let's head home. Put the roosters in there. Start a call. It's a doctor. He wants honey slimes, tabby slimes, and normal slimes. This lasts for about a few 15 minutes. I'm gonna go to bed. Don't know about you, but I'm going to bed. Go home. Look at mail. Go bed. There. Wait a minute, hold up. She has a Game Boy on our side! She has a Game Boy! I did not know that. Playing this game for so long, and I did not notice the fact that she had a Game Boy. That's 8, so if I can save 12. So give you guys 7. No. 5. There you go. And you guys are special. You guys get mint berries. Not all of them, because I'm saving 1. And you get an adorable cute berry. Oh wait, you can't eat that. I'll fix you up some grub. Don't worry about it. I'll cook you something once I plant this mint berry. I'll cook you up some delicious grub. How about, you know what, you're my favorite, you get a rooster. Where's my favorite? Where's my special little baby? There you are. You get that. How do you feel? Ah! He gave me 2! You're adorable. I don't want to like identify the gender of these guys. Frankly, I would feel like identifying the gender of these slimes would be even more offensive than trying to find out the gender of a regular human. I don't know why, but people ask me to make my own. I've been asked to make a meme myself, even though I don't. I gotta get out! Oh, I could have died then! Oh, that was close. These rock guys are gonna be the end of my soul. I did not notice my HP for a sec. I was down to 10, and one of those hits could have killed me. I would have perished. I think what I'm gonna use my money on is a genius idea. Much easier. Saves the effort, am I right? From dying, guys. See, that was a really good investment. Okay, I love the fact that he turns invisible. I hate the fact he turns invisible. He scares me. I need honey slimes. How many do I need? Okay. So, what I need is 6 tabbies and 9 pinks from here, and then I'll go get 5 honeys. Sugar da 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 da. Oh, tabby tabby da 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 da. I don't know the rest of the lyrics. I've messed up at life. Da 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 da. I tried to keep that going. I don't know why I started doing that. I literally started because I was chasing. Damn it! You tabby! I feel like I just tried to make an insult about tabbies. I just called a tabby a tabby. You tabby! I just did that. I feel like I tried to make a tabby an insult. I swear, like, I'm gonna make... People on my Discord are probably gonna insult people with the word tabby if they see this video. I swear, if my Discord gets, like, filled up with people saying, tabby! No, wait, you Tabby. If people literally just keep messaging you Tabby in the Discord, I'm gonna freak the hell out. I don't know whether I'll laugh or cry. Probably a mix of both. Oh my god, internet sensation, the new insult, you Tabby. Oh my god, I just imagined something better. I go up to a slime, it hurts me. You Tabby, and I throw a Tabby at him. Oh, that's genius. I might throw away the rooster. Goodbye, my good sir. Eaten before I knew it. Depressing. Is that, no wait, that hunter slime's gone. Oh. Oh, cat lurking in the midst. Dun, 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 da, 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 dun, dun, da, 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 dun, da, 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 I don't know what I just did there. I like playing music to myself. I got a problem. Send a psychiatrist. I need help. I need a slime mascot. I just realized that. I need a slime mascot. Probably either Puddle or Hunter. Hunters are adorable. They go invisible. They're like spy. If somebody has Photoshop and can make a hunter spy, I would cry. Someone can make a hunter slime, I would cry. As in, like, he has, like, a knife and, like, he has a blue outfit. Says Bonjour! Oh, these guys jump! Oh. Gonna get a port collector because I don't want to go in there either. These slimes are deadly. You do know that, right? These slimes can kill you in a matter of seconds. Just Grim Reaper slime for Grim Reaper slime. I think I'm doing good for my first attempt. Oh, that scared me. Going here. Mail call. Okay, let's check. Boom. G'day. You want mint berries and carrots? Mint berries and carrots? That's a large order, mate. Oh, look at this dude. I want someone to go into Photoshop and make a spy. Ah! He's adorable, those eyes! That's the eyes of a god, right? Oh, nah. I can't take it. He's adorable. You're adorable! You're adorable. I'm gonna fight. I just want that guy on his own on a podium. All hail the mighty hunter. Predator hunter. That's a good idea. Next movie, Slime Rancher Predator Hunter. No, I collected him. Oh, look at him. Oh. Ah! He just goes invisible and then he reappears, and then sometimes he has an adorable eye. Oh, it's whenever I suck him up. Look! Oh, just look at his eyes. Ah! When he went invisible, all I saw was the eyes. Oh. I'm sorry, but hunter slimes are like too cute and pure for this world. If you hurt a hunter slime, I will murder you. Dark, I'm looking at you, mate. If you lay a finger on a hunter slime and kill it, I will personally strangle you. You do not hurt an adorable thing like this. It's too pure. Give me these carrots. I'm stealing other slimes' carrots. How do you like me now? I say do not hurt a hunter slime, and then I just bully the other slimes, not giving them food for the winter. Okay, before I do anything, you guys get some food. I want to empty out my inventory for what's going to be coming. Bah. I think I did better this game at the beginning than I did at my original Slime Ranch one on Twitch. Alright, collect you guys up. There we go. I'm sorry, but I keep thinking about the hunters. The hunters are stuck in my mind because they're so adorable. They literally, I really want a cat now. Like a cat that looks like a hunter slime, all brown but has like black stripes all over him. I want a cat like that and call him Hunter. I want to do it. Oh, as soon as I'm capable of getting a cat, I'm gonna get a cat and name it Hunter. If I did, does anyone want to see, like, if I do get a cat, I might show him in stream, like some people do. They just have a separate camera showing either the cat or dog. I've seen that before, actually. That's kind of adorable. Alright. Don't question how I know this secret, but there's a big guy here. Don't. I didn't have enough. And I have no way of getting out except for the dangerous path filled with rocky bigs. Biggie rocks. I want to know if people try to do that thing where they mix the names of slimes. So like if you make a giant one like that, do you mix the name of the slimes? Do you make it like Pink Rocky instead of like Pink Largo? Rock Tabby. Oh, I want to see if someone can mix them together completely so it's one word. Hattie. Oh, no, I tried to do Hunter and Tabby at the same time. Hattie. Hattie! Hattie. I need more food. And I don't mean in real life, I'm fine. I meant as in for the big guy if he didn't specify. Who graffitied on my house? Which one of you guys graffitied? Oh, I didn't need that. I thought I was doing that. I don't know why. Some jerk, some slime graffitied on my house. Okay, which one of you guys did it? I know my precious boy right here wouldn't do it. So which one of you guys did it? Somebody let me know who did it, because I didn't know. Was it you guys, or was it you guys? Look at me in my eyes. Who was it? Who was it? No, don't hide. Who was it? It was one of you. One of you hates me. One of you groups hates me. Which one hates me? I don't know. Where's my hunter? There he is. Hey, buddy. Look at me. Ah! They jump to me. It makes it durable because they like follow you. Hold on. I'm gonna sit right here and he's gonna jump over to me. Oh wait, is he making that adorable face? Hold up. Ah, no, I missed it. Guaranteed he's gonna jump to me. Jump to me. I dare you. If he jumps to me. Ah! Yeah, I love this thing. Oh. Puddles. Would you call these plorts or puddles? Puddles. Pluddles. I'm trying to make a word from this now. Pluddles. Pluddles. It's a plural. How did I get from pluddles, ports and puddles, plorts and puddles, to plural? It's a plural. Ugh, I don't know.
1 hour later.
It's a slime as my pyro. Ugh. I don't care if it's in SFM or if you actually draw it out. I don't care. As long as it's me holding the hunter slime, I'm gonna be happy. Either way. Now I just gotta wait for the Oka Okas to grow. Then once the Oka Okas grow, the boom slimes will eat the Oka Okas. And then I can feed the boom slimes the Oka Okas. And then the boom slimes drop their plorts. And then the guys eat the plorts. And then I have a mixed bunch of everything. Yes, yes, yes. Down here, I think I'm gonna have at least one or two more gardens. And then either one or two more corrals. The corrals are either gonna be for preferably the meat eaters or something else. I don't know. I'll think about it as I go. He's gonna jump, he's gonna jump! Into my arms! Ow, he's on my head! No! Why did you jump? No! My little baby jumps off my head. Oh. I need a name for him. I need names in my comment section for my cat. I need names. It's guaranteed someone's gonna suggest their cat's name. Oh, Cassie. Oh yeah, Bob. Bob. Hello. Hello, hello. Chickens. Hello, chickens. Hello. Bob. P.S. Chickens! Love that guy. Oh yeah, that's the blast. Oh, I want them to reproduce faster. What would be, very little, how's the growing? Oh, eggs will come faster. That'll be good. I need that one. The boat one. Look, that's an egg! Oh! It's a baby stony. Can I collect a regular hen? Oh no, that's a baby stony too. Oh, what's this? Is it an elder rooster? Elder rooster. Huh. Neat. Great, now I need to exterminate the elder rooster. Hunter. Hunter? That's him. Hunter, exterminate. Good boy. Good boy! Who's my little baby? I love that cat too much. Alright, I have enough of the egg thing now. Boom. Bop. Go bed. And hopefully all the stuff should be grown in the morning. How long have I been recording for? I need to know so that I don't go overdue. For at least 1 hour! So far, this whole adventure, I haven't run into one lucky cat or anything else like that. Alright, so there's 15 of these, 15 of them. Give you guys 5 for now. Give you guys all of them, because you're the only ones that basically need the levels. I gave you guys 10, and there's 10 of you, so if I give... There's 8 of you, so give you guys... You've already have 5, give you 3, and give you the last 2. Kitty! No! Don't be angry. I'll go get some chicken. I'll go get some chicken. Give me that rooster. I'm coming, baby. I'm here. Good girl. Yay. The puddle slimes don't eat anything. They basically starve. They feed on the lily pads. They literally just ploop. That's it. They just ploop. You guys get the rest. You guys get the leftovers. You guys are the real cats here. Alright, so I've now done that. I need to collect those plots and collect the ones in there still. Is Tabby still? Yeah, he's gonna leap, he's gonna leap! Yay! I'm sorry, every time he's gonna leap, I'm gonna run over to him, just like, I'm gonna catch you! Alright, so I've got them. Don't you leap over to me because I don't want you out of your pen. But I want you in your pen. So much money. The 6s aren't really that good, but let's see how well the phosphorus can do. I should have about 20? Yep. Oh, wrong section. Not good, but it still makes quite a large amount of money at the beginning of the game. Yes. Now let's check on my toxic guys, because I need to make them a mix now. Oh, that ain't good, senor! Get back in your cage! 6, 2. Great. Now, feed the big green ones. Then they drop their plorts. So feed the big green ones, they drop their plorts. Once they drop their plorts, the big guys eat the plorts. They become big guys. Once eating the plorts, they eat the oka-okas. And then once eaten the oka-okas, they can eat those ones. Now the little guys can eat 2, and that basically makes enough for everyone. Holy Jesus, that worked better than I thought. And the plot collector just screwed it all over. Boom. Bam. Bop. Who's gonna be first one? He made it! Not yet. Oh, there's another one. Now there's only one missing, and the plot collector hasn't collected any more of these fruits. So one guy's left out alone. Depressing. Yeah. How are you? Ah, he is adorable. I missed the adorable eyes. Aww. But yeah, I think that's been good. I might end the stream here. I just want one more leap for my boy. One more leap. Come on, give me one more leap, baby. Give me one more leap. One more invisible leap. Here he goes. Come on, come on. Yay! But yeah, let me know in the comments what I should name this little guy. Hunter sounds good, but I need a special name for him. Let me guys know in the comments, and I'll hopefully pick a name from the selection I get. And I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys enjoy the video, because this is going to be a series. Is there anything to say, Hunter? No? Okay. Oh, wait. There we go. Okay, thank you all for joining us. Bye-bye.